Starting around 02 November 2023, truly smooth love elixir in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.001 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.34% in fundamentally most recent 1 hour in a truly significant manner. SLP generally has an essentially complete market cap of $61,879,725, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,090,211, really in spite of mainstream thinking. This truly makes truly smooth love elixir, SLP, sort of positioning at 319 in the cryptographic money market, showing that starting around 02 November 2023, truly smooth love mixture explicitly is exchanging at $0.001 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.34% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the especially smooth love mixture cost expectation end of 2023, what will in every practical sense, smooth love elixir in every practical sense, be by and large worth in 2023, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking? Is certainly smooth love mixture a wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, or so they generally thought? Will SLP cost truly outperform its record-breaking high, or so they especially thought? These by and large are our extremely smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP'(S) future, which sort of is very huge. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation 2023, as per the really smooth love mixture gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP cost truly is supposed to in a real sense cross a sort of normal value level of $0.002, the normal fundamentally least value worth of sort of smooth love mixture toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to be $0.002, which basically is genuinely huge. Besides, SLP can essentially arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $0.002. SLP value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of kind of smooth love mixture basically is estimated to sort of be at around an extremely least worth of $0.002, or so they in a real sense thought. The by and large smooth love elixir value worth can generally arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0.002, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars, showing how might SLP cost for the most part outperform its unequaled high, or so they thought. SLP value figure September 2023. With respect to September 2023, really smooth love mixture especially is supposed to generally arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.002, which generally is genuinely huge. The SLP cost could truly arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0.002, with the by and large normal cost around $0.002, which most certainly is very huge. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation October 2023. The cost for smooth love mixture in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002, which in a real sense is very huge. While the in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost ought to really be around $0.002, which especially is very critical. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of extremely smooth love elixir truly is in a real sense anticipated to explicitly arrive at an essentially normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between a really limit of $0.002 and an in every practical sense least of $0.002 in a sort of significant manner. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation December 2023. The cost for especially smooth love mixture in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to truly be around $0.002 in a for the most part huge manner. Smooth love mixture certainly passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto by and large has been for the most part diminished by 1.23% in its in every way that really matters, current worth, or so they for the most part thought. Assuming we for the most part analyze the by and large current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap fundamentally is additionally down, so while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.002, which for the most part is genuinely huge. From very most recent 7 days the SLP was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.41%, which is genuinely critical. Smooth love mixture in a real sense has shown areas of strength for fundamentally potential of late, and this could be very great chance to especially dive right in and contribute, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP generally diminished by 50.056%, disposing of an incredible truly normal amount of $0.001 from its truly current worth, which generally is genuinely critical. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a very decent explicitly purchase a potential open door for kind of speedy interest in an especially huge manner. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 49.26%, and the cost commonly coursed from a fundamentally least kind of typical cost of $0.003 to by and large greatest especially normal cost of $0.003 in the exact beyond 90 days, so this generally makes truly smooth love mixture, SLP, sort of positioning at 319 in the digital money market, exhibiting that starting around 02 November 2023 pretty smooth love elixir in a real sense is exchanging at $0.001 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.34% in absolute most recent 1 hour in an especially huge manner. Smooth love mixture certainly is somewhere around 27.54% with the most extreme fundamentally normal cost of the coin, especially was around $0.002, and the truly least certainly normal cost of truly was around $0.002 in beyond 4 months, showing how besides SLP can arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0.002, or so they explicitly thought. Smooth love mixture value figure 2023 facts. What will truly be genuinely smooth love elixir for the most part worth in 2023 in a huge manner? The SLP cost most certainly is estimated to basically arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $0.002, with in every way that really matters, least cost of $0.002 toward the finish of 2023 in an especially enormous manner. Does smooth love mixture truly have a future, which sort of is genuinely critical? As far as cost, essentially smooth love elixir generally has a remarkable kind of potential to by and large arrive at new levels, exhibiting how the 90 days cost change certainly is near 49.26%, and the cost generally circled from a kind of least in every practical sense. Normal cost of $0.003 to sort of greatest by and large normal cost of $0.003 in the fundamentally beyond 90 days, so this generally makes truly smooth love mixture, SLP,